Welcome to Radiology Connect. Today we discuss about half-life and mean life. Half-life, in actual practice, the rate of decay of radioisotope is usually given in terms of its half-life. It is the time required for either activity or the number of radioactive atoms decay to half of its initial value. The half-life is usually denoted by T1 by 2. Note that the time interval of one half-life, the initial activity will be reduced by factor 2. At the end of second half-life, the activity will be reduced by a factor of 4. Similarly, at the end of half-life, the original activity of a radioisotope will be reduced by a factor of 2n. Theoretically, it is requires infinity very long time for the complication of this decay process. Like the decay constant, half-life is also a characteristic of any radioisotope. For different radioisotope, the half-life are different, varying from less than a second to several thousand of years. Where A0 is the initial activity of the radioactive sample, A is the activity after a lapse of time t, and lambda is the decay constant distribution second, which is characteristic of radioisotopes. It is the property of certain nuclei to emit spontaneous particle or photon accompanies the capture of orbital electrons by a nucleus or into the two light nuclei after being divided. This spontaneous transmission of radioactive nucleus is called radioactive decay. After the occurrence of radioactive decay of a nucleus, a new nucleate is formed which is different from initial one with respect to physical and chemical properties. However, many lighter elements can be rendered radioactive by bombardment with charged particles or neutrons. This is called artificial radioactivity. Isotope of an element having radioactive properties known as radioisotopes. Mean life. It is the average lifetime for the decay of radioactive atoms, which also known as average lives. The activity of radioisotope becomes similar and similar with time but never reaches to zero as decay process is exponential in nature. If it is assumed that the activity of the simple maintains its original value and does not decay, then there must be such a time the activity drops suddenly to zero, simple because there is no longer any more radioactive atoms. This time interval is called the mean life peak. Thank you for watching.